Hi, I'm Jeremy with X-Tech. Today we're going to go over our MTX Shield Plus 2. Now this product's been out for years. It's been very popular, but kind of wanted to do our first overview video on it. So this is for the original single stack shields, both 9mm and 40 cal. So the magazine options from the factory are the 7-round and the 8-round. Issues with both of them are it just doesn't give you a full grip on the pistol, and especially now with modern pistols, 9-10 rounds is a lot better than 7-8 rounds. So it's the 8-round factory option here, and then we've got our 9-round setup. Now what's great about our Plus 2 extension is it gives you 2 rounds 9mm, 1 round 40 cal. The extension though, however, is the only one that works on both the factory 7 and 8-round magazines. So the install is going to work identically between the 7 and 8. So quickly here we're going to show you how to take down 8-round magazine and then install the Plus 2 kit. That'll give you 10 rounds. And again, it will work the same way, just without the sleeve with the 7-rounder. So first, you'll take your 8-round magazine. You're going to pull the sleeve slightly up, depress the spring button, slide this base plate forward, set that aside. Spring button you won't need, and the spring you'll not need. From there, you're going to take the factory follower. You're going to set it on the smaller side of the spring, facing more upward, goes towards the front of the magazine. And you'll just take the whole spring assembly, slide it into magazine body there. From there, I'm going to pull apart our inner and outer housings, and I'll drop the spring button in. There's only one way it can go in. Ensure that this button's showing through, and then just push the spring assembly into it. Now with the single stack extension here, what we're looking for is to ensure that the spring button is coming all the way through, but these tabs here are going to end up on the surrounding this magazine rail there. So you're going to see the tabs just go right around that rail. And now I'm going to hold that whole assembly on, make sure the spring doesn't go flying. Depress the spring button, give it a little tap, ensure I'm good to go. Push the sleeve back down. Now I've got a 10-round magazine. So how we design these, optimal for everyday carry, it's going to be the Plus 2 on the 7-rounder. It's just going to fit your finger perfectly in most cases. And then where it comes in on the 8-round mags is these are great. Now 10-round, get you in double digits, backup magazines. Again, this is the MTX Shield Plus 2.